Good morning, students. My name is Preeti Zamatia and I'm going to take you computer subject. Okay, students? So today we will study first unit. Unit name is computer memories and its types. Okay, so first we'll go in introduction. Okay, a memory is just like a human brain. It is asked to store data and instruction. Computer memory is the storage space in computer where data is to process and instruction required for processing are stored. The memory is divided into large number of small parts called cells. Each location or cell has a unique address which varies from 0 to memory size -1. For example, if computer has 64K words, K means 1000, okay student? Okay, then this memory unit has 64 into 1024 equal to 65536. The address of this location varies from 0 to 65535. Okay, so who is the father of computer? Do you know, student? Okay, the father of computer is Charles Babbage. Okay, the famous 19th century English mathematician. Okay, and of course in the 21st century we recognize this as computer memory, but in the 19th century this really was a groundbreaking idea. Okay, student? Okay, units to measure memory are given in the following table. Student, you can see here the measurement of memory. Bit equal to 0 or 1 binary digit. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte or KB equal to 1024 B. 1 megabyte or MB equal to 1024 KB. 1 gigabyte or GB equal to 1024 MB. 1 terabyte or TB equal to 1024 GB. And 1 petabyte or PB equal to 1024 TB. Okay. Here you can see memory is primarily of two types. So how many types of primary computer memory are there? There are two types of memory. They are primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, so now let's see what is primary memory. Primary memory holds only those data and instruction on which computer is currently working. It has limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. Okay, and student, now you can see here characteristics of main memory. What are there? Let's see. These are semiconductor memories. It is known as main memory, usually called memory. Data is lost in case power is switched off, faster than secondary memories. Okay, and let's see the full form of RAM. Student, do you know the full form of RAM? Okay, let me tell you. RAM, the full form of RAM is random access memory. Okay, so RAM stands for random access memory. RAM is a short-term memory and the hard disk is the long-term memory. The short-term memory focuses on work at hand and can keep only a few facts in view at one time. If short-term memory fills up, it represses from facts stored in long-term memory. Okay, so random access memory is a type of memory which is both readable and writable. Even you can read and also as well as you can write. Okay, it is referred to as random access, and all the stored data words can be read equally and quickly. Okay, and the technological developments driving RAM technology have changed significantly since the early days of computer. Okay, so in the late 1940s through to the 1970s, magnetic core memory was standard technology for implementing RAM. Okay, so student, here you can see there are two different types of RAM, that is DRAM, that is dynamic random access memory. And also you can see another one, that is SRAM, and full form is static random access memory. The two types differ in the technology they use to hold data. Okay, see here you can see the picture also. In common uses, the term RAM refers to the main memory or the memory available to the program. For example, a computer with 8 MB or RAM is approximately 8 million bytes of memory that program can use. See here you can see the picture also. Yes. And next we'll see ROM. Full form of ROM is read-only memory. In this memory, information once stored remains fixed, that is, cannot be changed generally. ROM contains a set of start-off instructions, that is, what to do. When a computer is turned on, the content of RAM remains stored even if power is turned off. Hence, it is also referred to as non-volatile memory. Okay, you can see the picture here. ROM is a class of storage media in computer and other electronic device. Here you can see the picture. And how many types of ROM are there? There are three types of ROM, that is PROM, EEPROM and EPROM. That is PROM, and second one is EPROM, and third one is EEPROM. Okay, so read-only memory is the simplifier of the two major memory types. Okay, so as per its name, it is a type of memory which is readable only we can read. Okay, in other words, you can also continually write new data to the memory, so the information it contains is fixed before operation. Okay, this type of memory is also referred to as non-volatile. It is retain its data after its power off. Okay, so student, do you remember how many types of memory are there? Okay, there are two types of memory. Okay, first is primary and secondary. So I have explained you primary. Now you can see secondary memory. Okay, secondary memory is also known as external memory. Okay, it is slower than main memory. Okay, these are used for storing data information permanently. Okay, CPU directly does not access this memory. Instead, they are access input or output routines. Okay, so for example, we can say like disk, CD, ROM, DVD, etc. Okay, so secondary memories are first transferred to main memory and then CPU can access it. Okay, and let's see the secondary characteristics. That is, these are magnetic. It is also known as backup memory, and data is permanently stored even if power is switched off, and computer may turn without secondary memory, and lastly slower than primary memories. Okay, see here you can see the types of secondary memory. Here there are four types of secondary memory, that is magnetic tape, magnetic disk, CD and hard disk. Okay, so magnetic tape means magnetic tapes are used for large computers like mainframe computers, where large volume of data is stored for a longer time. Okay, and second one is magnetic disc. Magnetic disc, you might have seen the gramophone records, right, which is circular like a disc and coated with magnetic materials. Okay, for example, you can see like floppy disks. So computer memories are having two types. Okay, that is primary and secondary. Okay, and what is primary you can learn, and what is secondary. Okay, and how many types of secondary are there, how many types of primary are there, and also you can learn the full form of RAM and ROM. Okay, so here I am giving you the question answer. Okay, chapter 1, name is computer memories and its type. Okay, number 1, how many types of computer memory are there? There are two types of computer memory. They are primary and secondary. Okay, what is primary memory? Primary memory holds only those data and instruction on which computer is currently working. Okay, and third is number 3. What is secondary memory? Secondary memory is known as external memory. It is slower than main memory. And number 4. What is the full form of RAM? RAM is random access memory and ROM is read-only memory. So student, I'm giving you homework. What is RAM and what is ROM? So you can study in your own. Okay. So thank you so much, student.